So here's a cute little bird's nest that came flying out of a tree and landing in the yard. I plunked it up here in this decorative fig that is decorative, alright. So I'll just bring it down to a brighter spot and we can have a look at it. It's really cool. And so there we go. There's some string and some twigs and hair and other things in there. Definitely bird poop on there. But it's really cute. Not sure why it ended up down in the yard, but it did. Did a very interesting job at packing their nest. All these things are pokey and bristly, so it holds everything in there nice. It's crazy. I just thought I'd share that with you. It probably belongs to one of those little birds we've been filming around here. Bye.